بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا علما.
O Allah, help us learn what is beneficial to us. Help us benefit from what you have enabled us to learn and increase our knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson 12 of our Quranic Arabic course. Alhamdulillah, in lesson 11, we have covered the two types of noun or ism, and we learned about definite noun and indefinite noun. The Arabic names of them are Marifa noun and Nakira noun. Marifa noun can be recognized by marfu sign or dhamma, and Nakira noun can be identified by tanween at the end. Nouns by default are Nakira nouns. For example, Muslimun is Nakira, and Al-Muslimu is a Marifa noun. Today we shall learn numbers in Arabic, inshallah, the third property of noun. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We shall discuss three types of numbers: singular, dual, and plural, with more emphasis on plural nouns. Plural nouns in Arabic are mainly of two types: sound or unbroken plural, jama salim, and broken, jama mukassar or jama taksir. Sound or unbroken plural nouns are named so because the original words remain unchanged. And for the dual form, just ani or aini are added to the last letter of the singular nouns, and una or ina for the plural nouns. Let me explain the difference between sound or unbroken plural and broken plural. In sound or unbroken plural, the original words remain unchanged. For example, on the left-hand side, you can see Muslimun is the singular and Muslimuna is plural. So what are the changes here? In Muslimuna, the word Muslim remain unchanged. At the end, una is added to the noun to make it plural. So Muslimun became Muslimuna, but the original word Muslimun remained unchanged. Next, Talibun has become Talibane in dual version. The change between these two is ani is added with Talib in the dual form. So the original word Talib remain unchanged in the dual version, just added ani at the end. Kafirun is singular, but kafirina is plural. So what are the changes there? You can see with kafir, ina is added at the end. So the original word kafir remains same. But in case of broken plural, the original word from singular breaks to make it plural. Rasulun is the singular and rusulun is the plural. So you can see ra has become ru. So the first letter has broken or changed. Let's look at the next one. Qalamun is singular and aqlamun is plural. To make it plural, alif has been added before qaf, and then on qaf, sukun has come. Then an alif is added to lam to make it aqlamun. So you can see the original word qalamun has broken to make it plural, aqlamun. Kitabun is singular and kutubun is plural. So ki has become ku, ta has become tu. So the original word kitabun has completely changed. That's why they are called broken plural, and the other one is called unbroken plural or healthy plural or sound plural. In Arabic they are called jama salim, and the other one is called jama mukassar or jama taksir. I hope it's clear to you. The following chart is called Muslim chart. It is essential to understand the i'rab case, indicating what role the noun is playing in the sentence. The roles could be one of these. For example, fa'il or subject, maf'ul or object, or harful jar or mudaf ilayhi relationship. Let's understand the Muslim chart unbroken sound plural, jama salim for masculine. There are 5 columns on this chart. First column has got examples. Second column has i'rab or its status, or it's also called cases. Then 3 numbers in 3 columns: singular, dual, and plural. Let's understand the sentence with the examples and see what role the noun is playing in that sentence. Muslim pray 5 times. So Muslim is the fa'il or subject or doer of the action in that sentence. A doer or subject or fa'il normally takes dhamma on its haraka of the last letter. When the haraka of the last letter of the noun carries a dhamma, then its i'rab is called marfu, or in short, rafa. Next, Muslims read Qur'an. So Qur'an is the object or maf'ul here. What do they read? They read Qur'an. And when the noun is playing the role of an object in a sentence, then the harakat on the last letter of the noun becomes fatah, or its i'rab in that case will be called mansub or nasab. Last example. Many scientists in old days were from Muslims. So from is a harful jar and it is used before the noun Muslims. So the noun will carry kasra at the end of the word. And in that case, the i'rab would be majroor, or in short, jar. I hope that's clear. Let's look at the changes from singular to dual to plural. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Muslimun is rafa status, Musliman is nasab status, Muslimin is jar status. Muslimun has got fatah, that's why it's called marfu or rafa status. Musliman has got fatah, that's why its i'rab is mansub or nasab status. Muslimin has got kasra, that's why its i'rab is in majroor or jar status. So what happens between singular and dual? Please pay attention. Muslimun has become Muslimani for dual version of the noun. And you can see ani has been added at the word Muslim. Muslimun, Muslimani. And Muslimani is rafa status. Next, Musliman, which is nasab status, has become Muslimaini. So aini has been added at the end of Musliman. And on the last row, you can say Muslimin has become Muslimaini as well, like the row above. So Musliman and Muslimaini, they are both mansub or nasab status. Similarly, Muslimin and Muslimaini, they are both majroor or jar i'rab status. Finally, plural. Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. So what are the changes here? With Muslimun, una has been added at the end to make it Muslimuna. Muslimun has become Muslimuna, and that is marfu or rafa status. Musliman, which is mansub or nasab status, has become Muslimina. So you can see ina has been added at the end of Musliman to make it Muslimina. Similarly, Muslimin, which is majroor or jar status, has become Muslimina as well. One more thing you should notice, that under dual and plural, nasab form and jar form, they are same in both dual and plural. For example, Musliman has become Muslimaini for mansub, and Muslimin also has become Muslimaini for jar. Musliman has become Muslimina for mansub status, and Muslimin has become also Muslimina for majroor or jar status. I hope I made it clear for you. Please go through the video a few times if it is not clear, because you need to remember this chart by heart, inshallah. Similarly, we'll go to the Muslim chart unbroken sound plural Jama Salim for feminine. First examples. Muslim women are carrying. Here, Muslim women are the fa'il or the subject, so it will carry the rafa status because it's the dua. Muslims must follow Islamic rules. What do they follow? Islamic rules. Islamic rules is a maf'ul or object of the sentence. So it will have mansub or nasab status with fatah ending. Last example, visiting Allah's house is the best experience. Allah's house, there is a relationship of possession here. The house is possessed by Allah. So the relationship in Arabic is called mudaf ilayhi relation. When mudaf ilayhi relation comes in the sentence, the noun will have majroor or jar status. Okay, let's look at the three different versions of noun, how they change from singular to dual to plural. Muslimun, singular for Muslimun is Muslimatun, that is in marfu or rafa status with dhamma. Muslimatan is the nasab or mansub status with fatah. Muslimatin is the majroor or jar status with kasra. Let's look at the changes from singular to dual to plural from Muslimatun. Muslimatun has become Muslimatani. So here, with the word Muslima, Tani is added at the end, making it marfu or rafa status. Let's see what happens with mansub. Muslimatan has become Muslimataini. So Taini has been added to the word Muslima at the end to make it mansub or nasab status. Next, Muslimatin has become Muslimataini, same as above, by adding tiny at the end of Muslima. Finally, the plural column. Muslimatun has become Muslimatun. You can see Atun has been added at the end of Muslima, and it is marfu or rafa status. Muslimatan has become Muslimatin. So Atin has been added at the end of Muslima. And same as mansub, in jar status, Muslimatin has become Muslimatin, same as above, to make it majroor or jar status. Please repeat this video a few times and memorize it. It is important that you memorize it top to bottom, right to left, be able to identify them in a sentence easily. I shall give you some more examples for broken plural, singular, dual, and plural. Kitabun, a book. Kitabaini, two books. Kitabani, two books. Kutubun, books. In broken plural, the dual is made by adding ani or aini to the last letter of the singular noun, the same as the sound plural. Some more examples. Rasulun means messenger. Dinun means religion. Messenger in Arabic is Rasulun and its plural is Rusulun. Religion is Arabic is Dinun and its plural is Adyanun. I in Arabic is Ainun and its plural is Ayunun. Fountain in Arabic is Ainun and its plural is Uyunun. Alhamdulillah, we have reached the end of this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. Please repeat watching this video a few more times and study the PDF file together. One request before you go. Al-Quran Institute is a Quranic Da'wah and educational institute. We would like to reach many others like you. So if you benefited from this video, please share this with others. But most importantly, please subscribe our channel and like the videos. Don't forget to watch other video series on Quranic Arabic courses. Barakallahu fikum. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم آمين يا رب العالمين.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.